I'm Ginger Z, and it's not too late. Today I want to talk about solar energy, and not the kind that we all know a little bit about on the rooftops, but this behind me. That canopy right now is powering this electric vehicle. Solar only makes up 4% of our nation's energy grid, and while that number is expected to quadruple in the next 8 years, it's a slow go trying to get folks to embrace those big panels on roofs. But those rooftop panels or acres of solar farms are not the only option. That's why today we're talking about micro solar solutions, off-grid, things that can make power on every surface, like this coat, this bag. Solar patios, driveways, windows, and airplanes. Imagine if every surface on the planet had the dual purpose of creating energy from the sun. It would be game-changing. Solar energy could power 50% of our country in the next 3 decades, according to the Department of Energy. But that still requires big investments. And these companies argue any way to add more renewable power to the grid only speeds up the transition to a clean energy future. Every surface on a building could produce up to 30% of our energy. Imagine what we could do if we changed our sidewalks and driveways to solar. The Hungarian company PLATIO is trying to do just that. They've created solar panels made with recycled plastic that work as you walk on top of them.
The idea is that you can generate energy with solar in solar farms or on the roof, but there is a much wider range of areas that you can install this product, and you can bring closer to micro usage the product with micro solution or with solution.
These technologies can generate power for all types of buildings, homes to major skyscrapers. And unlike the solar panels on your roof, you don't have to connect these to the power grid.
The future is to support the individual energy production and usage as well, which is the most efficient way of energy supply on individual level.